Do you hate when random pictures always appear on your phone after turning it on? If yes, then this is the right video for you. I will teach you how to remove it. Hello guys, what's up? I'm back again for another video. So in this video, I will gonna teach you how to remove the random pictures that always appear in your Redmi phone lock screen after you turn it on. It's actually easy to remove guys, just follow what I'm about to do. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to remove it, the first thing you got to do is go to your phone settings. And once you've opened your phone settings, tap the search bar. And then search this. After searching, go and tap this. So the reason why different pictures always appear on your screen after you turn it on, is because your wallpaper carousel is turned on, so just turn it off to remove the pictures. Then here just select any of these reasons. Once you've selected, just tap submit for the wallpaper carousel to be turned off. And after turning it off, your problem will be solved already, the pictures won't appear anymore. Let me show it to you. Now I'm gonna turn off my phone and open it to see if the pictures will still appear. As you can see guys, the random pictures isn't appearing anymore. And that's just how you remove it guys, it's easy right? So that's all for this video, I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about, I will try to fix it. So that's all guys, thanks for watching, goodbye.